Hey YouTube, what's up guys? Friday afternoon, 7th of February 2025. Just a quick overview today. Finished up with a new customer, Leatherman Sheath for a O-lite and a Leatherman Muilti-tool. I am making these custom, but do have it available on the website. MichiganCustomCraftworks.com, MICustomCraftworks.com. Let me show you on the workbench. He's getting ready to pick it up today. So here it is. Custom hand stitched. I used full grain 7 to 8 ounce vegetable tan leather and pancake Leatherman sheath, all custom hand stitching, wax thread. He found one on a website and it was called MPU XL tool, and reached out a couple of people that do leather work, but they wouldn't make a custom one designed to fit his Muilti-tool and O-lite. He contacted me and this is what we came up with. Fits perfectly. It's molded into the sheath and the customer's happy. Can't wait to get it. So like I said, I got it available ready on the website. There's about 6 different colors to choose from. Just links down in the description. Michigan Custom Craft Works, and I'm out.